So here's your black swallow wort, which you have everywhere. Last year, it went to seed before you were here, because you just moved in. And these are the empty pods. All the seeds dropped, and then it spreads everywhere. You've got to get this. Here are the flowers coming before it goes to seed, and then looks like this, which is the seed pods, which is, I took a picture of at someone else's property. You have to get this out at the roots. To dig a shovel and then tease it out gently, because it's got these little white tentacle roots. So you want to get that, and then that goes in the garbage. Okay.
Perfect.
So you get in here, and you really have to get it at the root. And I tease it out gently. You can't just pull it out. Tease it out. Get all.
Oh my, yeah, I
I
see.
know. Look at this.
Yeah. Okay.
Horrible. So into the garbage.
Yeah.
Okay. Not in your yard waste pile. And then you'll just do the same. And then you just monitor, and then it's
Right.
no big deal.
Right.